Hey everyone, it's Emma here from Emma Talks Teeth. Welcome back to my page. I hope you're doing well. Today I'm continuing on with my advice for new grad hygienists. So it's almost the end of the year. Lots of new grads are going to be entering the big wide world of dentistry. So today's video is what practice owners and dentists look for in new grads. So these are the traits that I think what I would be looking in a new grad. Number one is whether the new grad knows when to ask for help. So there's a lot to learn in dentistry that you will learn through practicing and things that you won't learn from a textbook. So a mature graduate should be aware of how much they've yet to learn about dealing with the real world clinical stuff, dealing with patients and dealing with software problems. And a really good trait for a new grad is their willingness to say, hey, this is something that I'm not sure about, and for the best interest of my patient, I'm going to ask someone. Number two is that a new grad should be open to mentoring and a little bit of supervision. So well-rounded clinicians not only know what's in the textbook, they also need to learn the other aspects of dentistry. So that's how to effectively communicate with patients and how to deal with personalities, how to read a room, know that there's more than one way to achieve a result, and most importantly, to be open to receiving feedback and advice. So constructive criticism, we're all going to get it and we should all be open to it. And even now, 8 years in, I'm always open to constructive criticism because that's the only way we grow. You know, you can't expect to get better in your comfort zone. You've got to push yourself, and receiving advice from people is a way to propel yourself into learning something new and to be better at it. Number three is that a good trait of a new grad is that they're not overly focused on the money. As long as the remuneration is within industry averages, their first years as dentists, OHTs, dental hygienists should be about honing their skills. It should be about learning as much as they can and building up experience and speed and being a well-rounded clinician. So once you're able to do that, and once you're able to do good dentistry and everything else on top of that, the money will follow you. You won't need to chase it. It'll come to you, and with that experience you'll be able to negotiate better and you'll be able to negotiate higher. Another desired trait in a new grad is that they should be committed to continuing education and getting all their CPD points. So dental materials, equipment, procedures, they're always changing, and a good OHT dental hygienist should be committed to keeping up to date to then be able to provide the best treatment for their patients and to contribute to the clinics. You can tell the interviewer if there are any particular areas that you're passionate about. So say myofunctional orthodontics or cosmetic treatments like Invisalign. So the ideal candidate will be one that has an interest in wanting to build their skills and knowledge in an area that would be an addition to the practice. So have a look at what the practice offers. Do they do a lot of Invisalign? Will you be open to doing a course that allows you to expand your scope of practice so that you can assist the dentist more? So all these little things there, you want to be proactive. You want to be keen for learning because things are always changing, and dental innovations have been huge over the last decades. Like now that I use the airflow, I would never go back to cleaning the way that we used to. So always learning about new things and always learning about what is up and coming, new products is so important. So those were some of the top traits that practice owners and dentists will look for in hiring new grads. So I hope that helps you in your transition into finding work. Let me know if it does. I would love to hear from you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That is all for today. I will see you soon.